What's good? It's your boy Slick Fresh, and you already know I'm back with another one, man. Hitting y'all with another exclusive review. It's been a minute, but you already know. Just let me finish, man. Hey, and I'm appreciating everybody that's tuning into my YouTube channel, man. Looking at all my videos. And for the ones that's new, go ahead, bang that subscription box, hit that notification bell, man, because I'm gonna keep it coming. Hey, once y'all see this one, y'all gonna definitely want to see what's coming next. But yeah, we're gonna jump right into this. I actually was on Sneakers app, and I was actually trying to get some of those SB camos that had dropped recently, and I wasn't able to get any of those. But at the same time, after I didn't hit on those, later that day, I got an exclusive access from Sneakers app, man, and it was actually for my first pair of Off-Whites, man. So that was definitely, what can I say? Hey, they got me excited for sure. But I'm gonna jump right into this, man. Here go the box right here. The box is smaller than I'm used to, but at the same time, hey, as long as they got the right size, I don't care how big the box is. About to go ahead and open this thing up, man. I know y'all gonna like this one because this right here is something that not everybody got the chance to get, and a lot of people actually want it. And I'm just happy that I got an exclusive access. This was actually only my second exclusive access I've ever been able to take advantage of. The first exclusive access that I ever got was on those Retro 4 Fire Reds, man, and I did a review on that. I actually had 3 pair of Fire Reds that I did a review on, so if you guys haven't seen that video yet, go ahead and check that one out. But I'm gonna definitely just jump right into this, man. And I'm geeked, and the thing is, you don't know which pair of Off-Whites you're getting until you get them. I saw, like, on my order, like, I saw the colorway and stuff like that, but at the same time, after seeing all of the shoes that were dropped, you know what I mean, I just couldn't put 2 and 2 together. I was not sure, but we just gonna first get y'all a good look at this box. You know, Off-White always, you know, got something crazy going on, you know, with their boxes and the shoes itself. This is how the box look. I definitely am a fan. I love the holes, you know, all around the box. It's just dope. Let's see. And it actually say lot 14. So I got lot 14. I want to see how these look. You already know it's my size, baby. You see that 12 right there. I'm kind of like stuck in between a rock and a hard place for real, because just based on these, I know that the pricing for these is like, I could probably double or triple my money if I decided to sell these, but I'm almost just convinced to keep these because not only are they my first pair of Off-Whites, but I kind of want to keep them, man. I think it's something that you can look at as like a grail, like, you know, something that you want to have in your sneaker collection. And hey, power to whoever's able to obtain every single one of them, because all of them to me were hot. You know, it's just a lot of colors popping, man, and it's definitely something that you want to have, man. I'm just, bro, I can't believe that I got an exclusive access. So, hey, this is y'all first look, man. First look. I'm going ahead, open these things up, see what's popping. What it say on the side? The colorway, it say Nike Dunk Low. Got the sail, neutral green, neutral gray. Actually, my bad, correction. Vert Electro. I might just be repeating, who knows? It might be in a different language or whatever, but I'm gonna just go ahead and, you know, pop them out. All together, these came out to be $180. So not only did I get exclusive access, but you get the chance to get these for retail price. And I know it's some people that's so, you know, eager to get these that they will pay over retail price, which, hey, I was not interested, you know, in buying these if I weren't able to get them for retail price. So definitely just geeked that I was able to do that. You know, that's the top. That's how it look on the inside, man. And hey, I don't know nobody that got every pair other than Virgil. And hey, he might not even have every pair. Who knows? But let's open these things up, man. Let's see what's popping up in here. See what the hype is about. Yeah. You gotta get a smell. You gotta get a whiff of that. But let's go ahead and pop these things out. Bow. Right away, man. Right away, you see the colors. You see it. You see it, man. I'm loving it. Like, you know, you got the gray, you got the, you know, you got the green, like, but I'm not, you know, it really just depends on what color you got. I really like these though, but at the same time, you know, I know there's a lot of people out there that's not a big fan of, you know, just the laces going all around them. It's just something different. They still got the regular laces. So pretty much you got double laces on your shoe. And hey, I'm pretty sure anybody would like to be in my position right now and have a pair. So here we go. Look at that. You got the Nike on the tongue. You know, you got the hole in the tongue. These are busting. You got the off-white thing right here. And I'm just like that. Hey. Lot 14 of 50, and I literally did not know which ones I was going to get. So I'm pretty satisfied. I think truthfully, if I were to say the best pair that you could have gotten out of all of them, I think was the all black pair. Those were fire, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, nobody knew which ones they were getting, but I'm pretty sure you just got to be happy with what you get. Both of the sneakers in hand, man. Got a nice little feel on the gray part. You got the, you know, the black Nike sign in the back. You feel me? You got the black Nike sign in the back, and then you got the, you know, the off-white look to it. You know, you got it says the off-white, you know, then you got the location and all that stuff. Hey man, let me know what y'all think in the comments. And if you like what you see, if you're a fan of this off-white, you know, any of the lot of 50s, hey, bang the subscription, man. You know your boy keeping it coming. You know your boy always trying to keep it exclusive. I try to do what I can. Hey, never go broke trying to buy sneakers either, man. Hey, definitely I don't think that if you didn't hit on these for retail price, I'm not a baller out here. I'm not rich. I'm not paying $1,000, you know, for these sneakers. So I'm just happy that I got them for retail. And yeah, man, you got the, you know, it says shoelaces on the lace, of course. And that's that signature, you know, the off-white wording all over the shoe. Let's see right here. You also, it says shoelaces on the white laces as well. So pretty much you got a shoe with two laces on one shoe. You know, typically you got two laces with two shoes, but in total you got 4 laces. But I'm definitely geeked about this. I can't wait to show y'all this content and just, hey, man, what y'all think? You know, you got the off-white face on the inside, but then you also got that off-white hand on the other side. And I'm just I'm still in awe that I was able to even get these, man. Nice look. Nice look. Nice look. Then you got that, say the lot, you know, it say 14 of 50 on the side, a little, you know, little wavy color right there. And I know just by looking at all of them, You know, this color right here on the side varies. But like I said, if you were able to get a pair, I'm pretty sure you happy. I'm glad I was able to, you know, just give y'all a look at these. I'm not 100% sure who all got them. Hey, let me know who all got them in the comments, and also let me know which ones you got. You feel me? Hopefully one day I'll be able to see all of them, but who knows? Hey, but you already know your boy had to come with another one. Your boy always keeping it exclusive as much as I can. Bang that subscription box, man. Rock with your boy. Help me get to that, you know, 1K in subscription. It's been a minute. I've been doing this for a minute. If you go check any of the old videos, you already know what we do. You know how we coming. Hey, and your boy Slick Fresh gonna keep it coming. We out of here.